rear bed installed loosely. We have the front B-pillar plates installed loosely, 2 rivets, and able to move if we have to, but 2 or 3 rivets on each side. Make sure everything is down low. It's time to loose fit the tailgate as well. So we'll do the tailgate hardware. I think we'll be able to see what we have here. Bottom hinge. We're going to reuse your rear, the bolts that came out of the rear door latch area of the Charger. So the hook latch that the rear door attaches to, the 2 bolts that are used to affix that loop, that latch, save those, and we're going to use those here. They have a special taper to them that is perfect for the Ranger rear lower hinge points. So those go down here. They're 8mm bolts. Most standard bolts on all of the American and foreign cars, it appears. When it comes to seat belts and latches, you really do have a very standard set of nuts and bolts. The next one up here is that bolt. The next bolt is the cable bolt. That's the shouldered Torx bolt that we use. That one goes in the next hole up. So this is your latch, or your hinge at the bottom, shouldered bolt right here, and then your striker goes right here. Your lower hinge, your cable support bolt, and now your latch striker. The rubber piece on the striker is to the front of the car. They have ovaled holes for adjustment. One of the tips. You know what? I'm going to pause that. One of the tips for installing these is to put them on backwards. Just get that. Okay, this one I'll edit later, but okay, this is your striker, rubber piece, forward. It has an oval mount. One of the tricks on this car, since we're going to be using the taillights to a flush mount, is to put the button head side on the non-visible side and use your nuts and bolts, or use your bolts, your nylock bolts on this side. That means the inside surface where we mount the taillights. Try this again. It's all right. The last piece at the top is the latch striker. The trick to the latch striker, the rubber side forward, the button head side on the other side of the striker. So you want the washer and the nut on the visible side. And the reason we do that is because the tail light on the Charger is a flush tail light that mounts on the inside here. And this makes it a lot easier. You don't have to go carving away on your tail light to make room for a big bolt sticking out. So I'll zoom in here so you can see. The nut side, this is adjustable for when you're really just about done and you're adjusting your tailgate. The nut is on the inside, rubber forward. So striker, the shoulder bolt for the cable, and your hinge at the bottom. You'll notice the slotted hinge we run on the passenger side, the round hinge on the driver's side. We'll go over to the other side and do the other side. The other side is the same as this one, so I'll do that shortly for the time lapse, but that's how you install the hinges and latches.